welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi Rook. If you are brand new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also remember to ring the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I do upload a video. Today what I'm going to do is my November BOXYCHARM unboxing. I just received this in the mail today, so I figured I would open it up, go through all the products that I got, let you know about them, the prices, the retail value of this box, and if I think it's worth it. Also, BOXYCHARM is a subscription box, so you get a box every single month. It's $25, but the retail value is a lot more than that normally every single month. Also, you can sign up for different tiers of BOXYCHARM. There's Premium and there is Luxe. Boxy Premium is another subscription every single month. It's an additional box that has more items than the just normal base box. The base box has 5 items. The Premium box has 7 items. There is a Boxy Luxe, which comes every 3 months. It is $55. It's everything you would get in your base box plus additional items. So if you would like to see what's in my base box for November, just keep watching. So every single month it does come with a card with a theme. This theme is Harvest for November. The back of this card is all the details, the pricing of every product so that I can kind of read about the product and also how much it retails for. Super helpful. I'm really glad that they add this into every single box just because it lets me know what's in my box and what it's worth. First product I am grabbing out, this is the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Cleanser. Let's see, this retails for $28. So this is a Power Calm Hydrating Gel. Let's go ahead and open it. So let's go ahead and open this up. It looks like that. So it's white with a really pretty coral. I really do like Peach and Lily. I've tried a few things from them. I have a primer that I really enjoy, so I'm really excited to use this. I actually did need a cleanser. I just ran out of the Kylie cleanser that I've been using, so I'm excited to have this. The next product that I got is this Moda Metallics. This is a 2-piece eye brush. And this retails for $15. This is the Ultimate Eye Sculptors. Let's go ahead and open these and we can see the 2 brushes. I love getting brushes in my boxes just because I use them so often. I can never have too many brushes. Oh, these are kind of unique. So this one is almost like a triangle shape. I don't know if you can even tell, but it's like you could maybe use concealer or kind of blend out inner corner concealer or something. Even around like the nose creases, that might be really nice. I like that one a lot. And then the other one is just a fatter kind of crease blending brush. Super soft. I like Moda brushes. You can get them at Walmart. They are really nice quality and they last a really long time. Next product I got is very exciting. It is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. This is the Pink eyeshadow palette. It is a 5-pan palette that does retail for $48. So this is what the shadows look like. They are 4 matte, 1 shimmer. Let's go ahead and swatch these eyeshadows. Just kind of get a look at the colors. Ooh, those are really smooth. So there is that burnt orange. Wow. And there is a metallic, super pretty. There is a bit of a mid-tone brown. There is that darker brown, and then, let's see. And then there is just that matte cream color that's not super pigmented. This is a really pretty palette. I've never tried Natasha Denona eyeshadows. This looks really beautiful for Thanksgiving. I'll be excited to try this out. And I think that metallic just looks beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to grab out is a little bit of a head scratcher. I did receive a second eyeshadow palette. This rarely happens. I've never received 2 eyeshadow palettes in one box. I'm not a huge fan of that just because I do get so many eyeshadow palettes. I didn't really need a second one. I feel like they could have literally put anything other than an eyeshadow palette in this box and I would have been happy about it. But this is the Beauty Creations Boudoir Shadows. So it's kind of a cute packaging with the coral and it has like a little corset detail on the back. There is the inside of the palette, quite neutral, very everyday, a little boring. This does retail for $13.99. So it's not really what I'm kind of used to getting in the boxes. Normally you get high-end products. This is definitely not something that's more high-end, so I'm a bit disappointed. Let's try to swatch these and see if they're any good. They feel a little powdery. Oh, they're not very pigmented at all. The payoff doesn't seem very much. They seem very sheer, super powdery. I will actually probably just declutter this palette. I'm not excited about it. I have tons of neutrals. I don't need more, and I'm actually kind of disappointed that they would send me 2 eyeshadow palettes in one box. That just seems kind of silly to me. I don't think anyone really needs 2 different eyeshadow palettes in 1 month. So I'm definitely disappointed about this product. I'm not excited about it. We'll just probably declutter it. But I guess if you really wanted to try a bunch of more eyeshadow palettes, this might be for you. But it's not something I'm excited about. The next product that I got is a choice item for November's base box. This is the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. So this is something I did choose just because I do end up having drier lips a lot of the time. So I love lip balms. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty kind of light pink package. I figured I would go ahead and apply this just to kind of get a feel of it. It's a little pinch, or it's a little squeezy tube. So I'll squeeze just a little bit out and apply that. I don't smell, it has a little bit of a floral scent, nothing major, it's not super scented. It is adding a really pretty glow to my lips. It does feel nice. Feels really hydrating. It smells not bad, I really like how it feels. And this retails for $17. It's infused with good for you clean ingredients. The lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmental damage elements while providing lasting hydration. Added all of it together, the retail value of this box is $122. That is not the most retail value I've received in a box. It's definitely more on the low side, I think. I believe they were supposed to be no less than $125. I might be wrong about that. If I am, let me know down below. Maybe I'm mistaken, but I did believe that each box was supposed to retail for at least $125. It's not a big deal. Everything I'm really excited about in this box, except for that Boudoir Shadow palette. I'm really excited to try Natasha Denona. I need a new cleanser. I love trying new ones. I like those Moda brushes a lot. The lip enhancer looks really nice. I think it's going to be really good for the winter. So I'm pretty excited about this box other than that eyeshadow palette. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you are considering BOXYCHARM, I would say go for it. I really like it. If you have the extra money every month, you know, for $25 just to get surprised. I love getting my BOXYCHARMs every single month. It feels like a little present to myself. Super exciting. So I really like getting them. They also, along with your subscription, you get access to the pop-up stores, which have tons and tons of products that people have gotten in previous boxes that you can buy for a really low price. They just had their pop-up store, and I bought some Sunday Riley, some Hourglass. I got some other products that I've had in boxes before that I really like. So I really enjoy having BOXYCHARM. I think it's definitely worth the subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.